Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to do a quick update for the UE EPICBOOM. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one is $340. Now let me give y'all a quick backstory behind this. I pre-ordered this before it came out, and when I did, they had the wrong price on the website. So I bought mine for $500. That's why when y'all watch my video, I was like, yo, this speaker sounds okay, but not for $500. 2 hours after I posted my video, they dropped the price to $350. So I hit up UE, they refunded me the difference, but still, I didn't like this speaker too much. It has some weird sound with the bass. So maybe about a month after that, they dropped a big update, and a lot of people was like, yo, Floss, you need to check that speaker out after the update. I didn't like this speaker so much that the day after I did this video, I put this speaker on the side, I never touched it again. So right now, I'm gonna do a quick sound test before I do the update. Okay, so I haven't done the update yet. Here's what I got right now. Let's take it to the music. Now, one more side note. I was reading the comments. A lot of people was like, yo, why are you testing the speakers on maximum volume? Who plays this speaker on maximum volumes? I do. Okay, I do. If I take this speaker outside to wash my car, I'm not going to be playing it at 30% volume. 30% volume is cool for right now while I'm in the house and it's nice and quiet. But if I'm at the beach, if I'm in my backyard cooking on the grill, if I'm in my driveway washing the car, ain't nobody playing this speaker at 30% volume. And that's why a lot of speakers, they market it as no distortion even at max volume. Like Diamond Box, Bump Box. You know, they know a lot of people are going to want to bump these speakers. You know, you outside, you playing your music, you having a little picnic, and somebody's song come on, they're going to be like, yo, turn that shit up. Ain't nobody playing speakers at 30% outside. And this speaker even has an outdoor mode. So they're designed to be played loud. So that's why I like to test them and see how far I can push them. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, White Shoes is back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my...
calm down. Okay, here we go. Now, you see what I'm saying? When I first heard this, this is not a $500 sounding speaker. That's why I was so mad when I did my original video, because I paid $500 and it sounds just like this. And I'm going to say the same thing I said. Okay, $300, $350 at max. So right now it's on Amazon for $340. So here's what I'm going to do. Let's take it over to the app. Okay, let's go ahead and connect. And as you can see, there's a fresh update available. So I'm going to do this update real quick, and then we'll try it out again. All right, so I'm in the process of doing the firmware update, but I went to that video. Look at the comments for yourself. I was interested, but stop watching that. No power brick for $500, okay? You see? $500, I'd rather go with a EPICBOOM. Why so expensive? Remember, when I got this, it was $500. But I want to show you the comment that I'm talking about right now. Let's go to newest first. Okay, so this is the reason that I'm making this video. This is the comment I read. Okay, it says, UE just recently pushed a new firmware update for the EPICBOOM. Apparently, the distortion issues have now been resolved and overall bass output has increased. Okay, now it retains more bass at higher volumes. Now, this comment is from 3 months ago, but, you know, I'll be in the comments. Sometimes it takes me a little bit longer to get to certain stuff. But I'm really curious on this one, so I'm going to let this update. Okay, it's at 9%. This is like a big update, and then we'll test it out again. I'm doing this video for you. Whoever this was, Lewis, Lewis, this video is specifically for you. All right, so I just finished that update, and I'm going to keep it real with y'all. That shit took about 45 minutes, but as you can see, we're fully up to date now. All right, here we go. Now we're going to take it back to that same song. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of excited. Let's see if this actually makes a difference. Here we go. Okay, now, y'all cannot see my face, but I'm back here smiling. Hold on, let me find that comment. Shout out to Lewis, okay? Lewis02MC for leaving this comment. I had this speaker sitting around collecting dust, calling it a piece of shit. This is one of those times that the update really makes a difference. Wow. Now, I don't know if y'all heard it. Okay, you might have to rewind this video, but there was some weird distortion sound with this same song. Now it's nice and clean. Okay, now this is a $350 UE speaker. Now I want to hear another song real quick. Yeah, look, yeah, I'm keeping it real. But I was behind the camera just now. I was cheesing so hard. I was trying my hardest not to go like this and start clapping. This is what I'm talking about, and this is what I came to expect from UE speakers. I was so disappointed with this. I was so disappointed. All right, let me try another song, Rico. Hold on, I'm getting too hyped. Let me calm down. Yo, folks, calm down. Here we go. Let's go. Okay. Oh, I'm so glad I decided to make this video because one thing I got to keep it real with, I love the way this speaker looks. Okay, you know, with the plus and the minus, you know, I just like the way it looks and feels, but I was so disappointed. Y'all gotta remember, I spent $500, even though I got the extra $150 back in the mail, but bro, I was disappointed. This speaker is nice and clean now, clean. Let's do one more, we'll do one more. Let's see what I got, a classic. Distortion. Let me wait for that bass line. Nice and clean. Okay. And you know what's funny? A lot of times when you do an update on the product, you be expecting something big and then you drop the update and you be like, oh, they ain't really do shit. Y'all remember when they did the update for the Galaxy with the vivid display? And you're like, oh, that's what I'm talking about. Sometimes updates actually work. And I gotta be honest, okay? Now I'm feeling this speaker. Now I've recommended it. And they dropped the price $10 on Amazon, so it's $340. That's even better. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, now, like I said, I'm glad I'm starting to make more of these update videos because if I didn't do this video, y'all can't see behind this table, but I had a bunch of phone boxes on top of this and a bunch of cables on the side of it. Like, this is really just a shelf. Now I can actually dust this off and start using it again. Now, let me try one more thing because I didn't even try outdoor mode. Let's hit the music. Okay, it gets louder. Let's see. Now, I like it better like this. Yeah, better indoor mode. Woo! Let's go. Okay. Anyway, like I said, I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. If you was thinking about getting the UE EPICBOOM, now's the time to get it. Okay, if you watch my original video and I said I got a lot of distortion, I don't like the way the bass sounds, do the update. If you got one of these, all right, and you had it for a couple of months and you didn't do that update, do the update. This turns it into a totally different speaker. Anyway, this is the UE EPICBOOM update. Now I'm stamping this down with the Floss seal of approval. This is a major go. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. And like I said, let me know if y'all want to see some more update videos. I like keeping them short and sweet, but I also like doing long videos too. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spot one to beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facebook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.